Hello, dear friends. I really want to share with you my website. My website is lada.com, and I redid the whole site between 2021 and 2022, but I never got the chance to tell you guys about what my site looks like and how you can navigate it, what you can find on it. And this is pretty much my life's work. Everything that I do is posted here one way or another. If it's not here, you will find the links to my other platforms. And so welcome to lada.com. And let's take a look at the home page. The home page, as you see, I have this new banner, which is different from if, say, you visited my site years ago. It was a very different banner. It was a globe and a hand with the light coming out of the hand holding it. It was also a very beautiful banner, but I felt like I should really move on. And this is what I did. This is the new banner, which I'm really happy about. It really depicts and portrays and conveys the sense of what I'm trying to do, what I'm about. Generally, everything that I'm doing, all my teachings, all my ideas, that's what they're about. And you can see that I have multidimensional university listed here, quantum calibrations, predictions, and 5D Earthshift. These are some of my main directions in which my teachings go, my work goes. By the way, all the main topics with drop-down menus will be on the navigation bar above. So you see, for example, all the webinars. Quantum reports I did not itemize. Special events also did not itemize. You just click on these buttons. And Earthshift report, all of them are listed here. Or alternatively, you can click on these buttons and they take you to a specific category. Like in this case, that's programs, and all the programs are listed here. You can click on any link. Of course, each of the flagship Earthshift webinars, you click on link, it takes you to a specific category. Same with consultations. You can click on the drop-down menu on your consultation, and I highly recommend that you look at the whole page, which is here. That's the consultations page. Well, I may be redoing certain things soon, but for the time being, I'm pretty happy with some of the pages I created, and they all look very, very nice. Like the books are here. Under books, you can find everything. Like this is the bookstore, and everything is listed here. Each book, where you can buy them, each of the retailers where the books are listed, etc. Lada's work lists a lot of freebies where you can study things for free, or you can read things, articles, videos, etc. I will be redoing a lot of this because it's all very dynamic. It never stands in place. Things will be changing here, but again, you click on each link, it takes you to what I am about, what I do, or you can go to each category here, and that takes you to a specific category, but links are also here on each of the main pages of the menu. Subscribe, that's Patreon. There will be other subscriptions going forward. Shop will be replenished soon. There will be other things, and about, I recommend that you take a look at my new bio, which is very brief, and other things that I'm listing here. So without further ado, let's go to the home page and look through it. Basically, the overview of everything I do is on the home page. All the new exciting upcoming events are here, and currently we are in the Multidimensional University Multidimensional Souls of the Universe workshops. That's course 2, which I'm working on right now, and I released the first workshop, Return of the Dragons, Magical Realms and Missions, and you can buy the whole course 2 by clicking here. This is under MDU tab, by the way, MDU Course 1 and Course 2. And this will be filling in with content, just like programs, just like webinars we're filling in with content for several years. MDU will also be filling in with content. This is my new main project. And so you can buy the whole course to here. This took you to the buy page, but your info page is that main page right here. That's the main page. Let me go back here and I'll show you. This is the main page. If you click on this, it takes you to the main page. That's info page with all the details. My new video about the Return of the Dragons, but I will be posting more videos throughout my whole domain. There are reviews here already. You can look at the reviews. There will be more reviews coming soon, and you can buy. The buy buttons are right here. You can buy through this. These are workshop titles. There will also be bonuses, minis, freebies, etc. The titles are tentative. These are my ideas. Some titles may be different, but it's a very good comprehensive description. I hope you visit all these pages. They have a lot of information. They have a lot of insight. You will be entertained. This is Course 1, which is on sale, continues being on sale for the whole 2023, at least throughout the summer, and then we'll see. Okay, so that's that. Then we have Lada Patreon. I also have this Year of the Rabbit little tips here, and you can read free articles throughout. There are specials here. This one is, I believe, 62% off right now. Together the bundle is 50% off. Also, we have Personal Feng Shui Empowerment and Success Report. These are my books, which you will also see below. This page, by the way, will be redone soon, and there will be a new version of this page. But I'm showing you right now what I have at this point, and it's actually interesting. It will be interesting to watch and see how everything changes. So here you have all my programs, which again, I'm rethinking this a little bit, how I want to present them, maybe slightly differently, maybe not. Maybe I will keep it as is with all the quantum reports and Earthshift webinars. Each series, you can click on any of the links and it takes you to the whole series. And special events are here. We'll see what else might be available in the future, but at this point I'm pretty satisfied with my special video events. My Earthshift reports are here. There are some freebies, by the way, so go check it out. You can click on any of these links and they will take you to the same main page. All this is under programs, guys. These are all programs, by the way. And so this main page gives you all the links to each of the reports, or you can buy a whole collection for 50% off. And you have to email me. I will tell you what the current price is on the report. How to email me. If you don't know my email, if you're my client, if you are my long-term subscriber, supporter, buyer of webinars, etc. and workshops, you likely know my email. If you don't know my email, then you go under About, you go to Contact, and you will find my contact form in there. And I will tell you what the current price is for the whole collection. The price changes a little bit because once in a while I make something free out of these reports, and if I do, then price may be slightly lower if you get an extra freebie, or it may be slightly higher, but basically you get 50% off. It's roughly $115 that you have to pay for the whole collection. And we have about well, basically 28 reports, I believe, overall, currently available about 26 reports, including the freebies. So that's my whole collection of ESRs. Books are right here. And also I might change how I present these books. And if you go to open books, that's the main book page, or go to bookstore, you will see what is for sale. You also have tons and tons of reviews, you have excerpts, you have all kinds of freebies behind the scenes, and once in a while, when inspiration strikes, I might add something else. There are also links to freebies here, as well as I said, freebies are here, and you can see freebies under Lada's work, and also as mentioned, there are some free or shift reports. You just need to explore and browse all that. So that's what we have for this. You can donate if you feel like supporting me in my work, and the donation takes you to this page, which you also can find under About. So under About, you can click on About and read my bio. You can go to testimonials, which I have not replenished for a long time, but there are tons of testimonials there. There are also testimonials on different pages, like here under webinars, there is a testimonial here. There are testimonials under consultations, what clients say right here, under courses and some of the webinars on info pages. You see testimonials at the bottom. These are the newest ones. Each of these pages would have some sort of testimonials. Course 1 also has tons of testimonials. It's all at the bottom. And of course, as I said, you can read testimonials on the dedicated testimonials page, special events testimonials. You just scroll down and you see all kinds of testimonials throughout. I constantly work on my website and I change things oftentimes. Sometimes I redesign something. And as I mentioned, for those who are interested in buying something and you either have a question about buying or signing up, subscribing to my ongoing workshop program, you can contact me. And this is the business contact and customer care form. This is only for clients who order consultations, those who buy my multidimensional workshops, whether this is course 1 or course 2. And this is for those who want to subscribe but have a question, or say if you did not get your link once you paid. You are supposed to be redirected to your either webinar or quantum report or event or ESR right away, or to multidimensional universe pages that are for you. So you always have to save those pages. We always discuss that. I always mention that on my subscription info pages. Save that link and then you will never lose access. And that's how we do things here. But even if you lose the link, all you have to do is, again, contact me, and contact form is here. I will respond with the link as long as you provide proof of your purchase. Also, if you have any questions about purchases, about ordering a consultation, programs, signing up for courses or for webinar series, you contact me through this. And if you do know my email, then you can just go to my email and email me directly. You don't need to go through contact form. Subscriptions, say if you want to subscribe to Patreon, become my member on Patreon, you also can contact me through the same form or through the same email. I'm very responsive. I respond as quickly as I possibly can. Definitely within 48 hours, you will get your response. But oftentimes you get your response within several hours. So I welcome you to explore my website. You will find freebies throughout, and also on my other sites. I have a multitude of platforms, and I think you will enjoy looking at all this. I'll talk to you soon, and we will continue exploring my work and what I do. Have a good one.